You know my signature when I vacuum, that's when I'm done. But yeah, you see, got everything work. Got the lighter, all the buttons, you know what I'm saying? I got it to where you can change it like that if you want to switch it up at night, or you could just, you know what I'm saying? Either way, it's a high dash. All the stuff works. That even when you turn the light on, wiper light work. You know what I'm saying? I'm tripping. All the lights, high beam. If I can get to it, high beam work, blinkers work, dome light. Floor lights, dome light. You know, go off.
What was going on with it before?
Never worked. AC, vintage are working. All the lights work. You see the lights in the front? You see all the lights in the front work? Oh yeah, I put this on there too, by the way. Yeah, yeah, that wasn't hooked up, guys. Yeah, all that work too. Tail lights, blinkers, gave him a license plate light. I didn't know how he was riding around with that hooked up. Blinkers work, reverse lights work, everything work. Running, charging, rewire the whole car. Finna set the time and it's over with. Out the door, another one gone. BabyBird, easy.
Yeah.
How you like that? Hollywood ass nigga.